Fans, welcome to Mirror True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, things they happen. There is trouble in the household of the Edochie. Shame and disgrace don't tie this family wrapper. Chai. If na olden days, the Edochie family, therefore don't pursue them go market square. Go laugh and disgrace them for public. This shame upon the household of the Edochie family, it dey affect them all. It dey affect them well. That's why they say, if your son marry woman, when it be say the family no like, the family no want, then they show the woman say, you are not wanted. You will do everything to make sure, say that woman carry a leg, borrow leg, join the leg, run kitty. But the Edochie family, they were backyard supporting Juju Ekwensu, and in the front house, saying, no, we did not welcome her. Until Yo-Yo exposed his own father, Blessing Stadike. Now the word Charles say, hey, now so this family be. Before we know wetin dey happen, Peter Edochie don't go out movie. Before they come see comment for movie, where Peter Edochie go, Peter Edochie run. They welcome her partially. Not fully, partially, they welcome her. Because somebody you don't want to see with your son, the action where the mother-in-law go take, the action where the family go take, the woman go think twice. Juju Ekwensu was welcome partially. That's why she was able to come out on social media and be dragging me Edochie. E not send una. Because if una talk, she self go expose that secret una dey keep. But today, the Edochie family are regretting the day they set their eyes on Juju Ekwensu. They did not see this coming, no. They did not bargain for what they are seeing. I wish they know say the thing go bend leg like this. Therefore reject her the first time. Believe me, they would have rejected this whole thing. But it is too late. It is too late. The shame and disgrace don't tie the Edochie family wrapper. The shame and disgrace that Juju Ekwensu is bringing to Peter Edochie. Hi, it dey pain oh. This man took years to build a name that his great-grandchildren would have benefited from. One another man wife, no be say Juju Ekwensu na single, no be say Juju Ekwensu na young girl, no be say na one kind beauty wey be say if e dey come, oh, everybody head go dey shake. Because of another man overused Kpekus, wey don produce 3 children before he know Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie used that Kpekus. He did not only use it to destroy himself, he used it to destroy his family. Shame don't tie the wrapper. This Mr. Obasi dragging, he don't hit them to the marrow bone. They say Peter Edochie don't sit down. The man they regrets. If the man is regretting, do you know why he's regretting? Because their plans backfire. I wish this whole thing favor them. Peter Edochie for that day social media system. If I don't join you they shout, Ijele. As their plan come backfire them, you can't say Peter Edochie now. He no fit dey shout Ijele again. The man come close him mouth. You know they talk again. Wonder shall never end. So, my lovely fans, Juju Ekwensu and her sister, they don't fall down though. They don't fall down. They don't do everything possible to silence Mr. Obasi. You see, Juju Ekwensu and her sister, There is nothing they've not done against Mr. Obasi. Native doctor, prophet, or wishes and wizard, nowhere where they never go. Nowhere where they never go for Mr. Obasi head. Before, by this time, they for don't silent Mr. Obasi. That's why they say who they pursue person, now they show person road. Mr. Obasi eye don't open. Before Mr. Obasi bounce back again, the man is well ready. The man prepare himself, come out on social media. Una know how many times Mr. Obasi cry come outside. If he cry, they will still pursue right enter his house. Then the man was not ready. When I mean say he not ready, he not prepare himself. Mr. Obasi, wey you dey see for them, na balance. You know what they call a balance. That's why before anybody go drag Mr. Obasi, hope your own side balance. So Mr. Obasi balance come. She know Juju Ekwensu pass me and you. You know wetin he don see. You know how this woman they transform into different animal. If you listen to Mr. Obasi video, he say if they like, let them come with different animal. She dey transform. He get where she go stay with the marriage. She will begin to show them her true colors. She will be showing them who she is because she's already dominated them. Mr. Obasi, if he open his mouth, now go shock. So they've tried Mr. Obasi wey know them well. The man go prepare himself come. And Mr. Obasi did not only prepare himself. They say the spirit of the ancestors are solidly behind Mr. Obasi. Remember, Yul Edochie committed abomination, which Mr. Obasi carry Yul Edochie name go give the ancestors. They say the ancestors of Mr. Obasi are solidly behind him. And you know, anybody that the ancestors are behind, they are about to the hard way. The hard way. Say they are behind him. Mr. Obasi has been calling Yul Edochie for a very long time, explaining partially to us what really happened. How the Edochie family welcomed Juju Ekwensu, even when they claimed that Juju Ekwensu was never welcomed in their household. The man said they welcome her. They accepted her, a married woman. And even Peter Edochie know that Juju Ekwensu was married. So this whole shame and disgrace, let me tell you the shocking part. The Edochie family know what is coming for them. They know that the day Mr. Obasi go open his mouth, Mr. Obasi never given her details. Now headline now they read for now. The headline of the news, now they just they read. They know that if Mr. Obasi open his mouth, everywhere go scatter. Shame don't catch the Edochie family. Peter Edochie is regretting every action when he take. You know when they do all this thing behind closed door, body they sweet them. They feel say na me Edochie that they do. They feel say na me Edochie now that they pepper. They don't know that what you sow you will reap. They all welcomed her. They welcomed the married woman into their household. They welcomed abomination into their household. Every seed that come out from Juju Ekwensu is abomination. Apart from Mr. Obasi children, any other thing that comes from her are abomination. Peter Edochie welcomed abomination into his household. Una see and say, as they drag now, anybody don't drag Moghalu family. Anybody don't drag Juju Ekwensu papa. No. Now the family wey marry put now they drag. That's why when your son bring a woman home, make sure you know the kind of woman wey una dey accept. The Peter Edochie don't accept public disgrace into their household. See shame. People are mocking at the Edochie family. See the way Yul Edochie disgrace his father. After how many years Peter Edochie build a brand, Juju Ekwensu destroyed it in a second. with a twinkle of an eye, Juju Ekwensu destroyed Peter Edochie. This is not about Juju Ekwensu destroying Amobingo. No. You see Amobingo is already destroyed. He's already a condemned iron. Iona Otilo is just a noisemaker. But you see Papa, now that one, now Papa, now they drag now. Because a lot of people are saying, leave Yul Edochie is there inside bottle. That one we not know where they. They will leave Yul Edochie, they will go for the father. That's why you as a son, respect your family name. For somebody like Peter Edochie, his children need to be careful the kind of women they bring into their life. Say in Colus, till tomorrow, if they talk, they'll say, Peter Edochie, how did you even train your sons to be dating colo psychiatric mental women? How? How did you do it? You see, now Peter Edochie, they ask questions, say, how you take train Lynch, you take go friend you colus? How? Nobody they talk say, Lynch Edochie don't grow, na man of his own. He can choose any woman without the father saying anything. Nobody is saying that. But what they are saying is that Peter Edochie couldn't train his children properly. Now the Edochie family, now they drag home. They say the man don't weak. Waiting they say me they take pepper me Edochie, he don't change to shame. Anytime when Mr. Obasi post like this, now so people they mock the Edochie family. Yul Edochie mother cannot go to the market in peace anymore. If he go, they do nose for her. Do you know what it means? Very soon now they go drag Josephine Edochie go their Umuada meeting. They go drag her and go there, go ask her question. What happened to me? They don't feel they talk how, but one day, if this shame and this grace continue, they will drag Josephine Edochie. These people, Yul Edochie, Juju Ekwensu really came to destroy them. She really came to destroy them. Instead of them to take the rightful action, they all folded their hands, say, we're talking to my son. We have been talking to my son. The way it is now Koboko now can't talk to my son. This is no longer talking to my son because the shame don't they reach my body. Una they feel now. The shame don't they reach my body. Peter Edochie don't weak. Peter Edochie don't weak. The shame and disgrace is too much. The shame and disgrace is too much. Wonder shall never end, oh my lovely fans. When we thought we've seen it all, when we thought we've heard it all. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you, inshallah.